Metroman E. Sridharan is all set to join the BJP. The state president of the party, K. Surendran, has said that E. Sridharan will be joining the party ahead of the elections and that he's going to be formally inducted into the party in the next few days during the Vijay Yatra being organized from the 21st of this month. So this is the big breaking news that's coming in. Gopi Krishnan Unithan is joining us with more details on this. Gopi, you were telling us earlier that this was perhaps an unexpected development, not one that anyone saw coming, that E. Sridharan has largely stayed away from politics.
Well, absolutely, Akshita, because as you rightly pointed out, he is always trying to ensure a safe distance between politics and politicians when it comes to any issue. But of late, over the last 3-4 years, we have seen that he has been a little closer or not too reluctant to get too close to some of the politicians, mostly from the BJP. But even at that point, we never saw this formal political entry coming from Metroman E. Sridharan. Now, today in a press conference that was held in Calicut, K. Surendran, the BJP state president, has confirmed that E. Sridharan will associate with the party ahead of the upcoming elections, and he will be given party membership during one of the days of the Vijaya Yatra, which is being organized by K. Surendran from Kasaragod to Thiruvananthapuram. Now, we are still waiting for a formal response from E. Sridharan, but the sources are suggesting that he had multiple rounds of discussion with K. Surendran and he is also open to contest in the elections. Now, that will certainly be a huge boost for the BJP, considering their presence in the state assembly. They have just one among the 140 total seats in the Kerala assembly as of now. And if a prominent face like E. Sridharan comes into the election arena with a BJP ticket, then certainly there are many would feel that the BJP can increase their numbers and try and make sure that a prominent face like E. Sridharan gets into Kerala assembly as a BJP representative.
All right, Gopi, thank you for joining us with all those details. Interesting development coming in from Portbond, Kerala. This will be a huge boost for the BJP. No word that's coming from the Metroman himself, someone who is known to be an expert on infrastructure projects, a go-to man when it comes to infrastructural concerns or projects across the country, not just Kerala.